the chances of getting up here are very low to me. So for me, I'm only really looking for reasons to get here and reverse. And this was the target from Sunday's stream. And so this is an area where we expect oil to start to really struggle during this New York session. We still have a scalp target down low that has an 87.3% chance for oil to hit. So for me, at New York Open, I'm looking for something like this to happen. It's hard to long into our box. So those retail traders who go long on oil right on the opening of New York are now trapped because you're longing into this box. Instead, if you want to long, you should wait for an acceptance candle in this box to then push up higher. This is what we talked to you guys about. It has to get accepted in the box with the close to remain bullish. If not, when New York Open, and this is the New York Open candle, retail traders will long. They will get trapped in the top. Those spreads will put them way up here. And now the algorithm is showing us this is where price should sell for the day.